Example 2. The acceleration of an object is a of t equals 5t minus 8 v per second square. Find the distance s of the object from the origin under the initial conditions. S of 0, distance at time 0 equals 0, and the velocity at time 0 equals 7 v per second. So we need to know the relationship, the derivative of the velocity is acceleration, and the derivative of the distance give you the velocity. Now in order to find the distance, we have to find the velocity first. And in order to do that, we need to find the antiderivative of the acceleration. So the velocity at time t is the antiderivative of a. So what is the antiderivative of 5t minus 8? We use the power rule. So it's 5 times t squared over 2 minus 8t plus c. And we can solve for c using the initial condition. Velocity at time 0 equals 0 minus 0 plus c equals 7. So c equals 7. So the velocity at time t is 5 over 2 t squared minus 8t plus 7. To find the distance function s of t, we find the antiderivative of the velocity is 5 over 2 times power rule t cubed divided by 3 minus 8 times t squared divided by 2 plus 7t plus another c. Okay, so it's a different c. And we have to solve for this c again using the initial condition. At time 0, so s of 0, we get 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus c will equal 0. So c, this new c equals 0. And we have the formula for the distance function s of t, which is s of t equals, you simplify, 5 over 6 t cubed minus 4 t squared plus 7t, and that is the formula.